Hello students, today we will study of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds comes under the topic chemical properties of metal. In chemical properties of metal, first point is burning of metals. That I have already given its notes in my blog. Second property I am taking reaction of metals with non-metal, because by reaction of metal and non-metals only ionic compounds are formed. Now let us study how by reaction of metal and non-metal ionic or electrovalent compounds are formed. To understand this, let us first take example of formation of sodium chloride. This is formula of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed by the combination of sodium and chlorine. See, in this reaction I have written sodium plus chlorine forming sodium chloride. Now we will see how this sodium chloride is formed. Let us try to understand this. First I am writing here sodium. What is its electronic configuration, students? Its electronic configuration is 11. Therefore its electronic configuration is, its atomic number is 11. That's why its electronic configuration is 281. So it has how many electrons in its valence shell? That is 1. Okay, now I am writing here of chlorine. What is its atomic number? Its atomic number is 17. And its electronic configuration, what is its? First 2, then 8, and then remaining 2, 8, 7. In third shell also 8 electrons can accommodate, so 7. So this is total 11, this is total 7. Now in third shell how many electrons can come? 8. So here this 1 is extra. Either it will give this 1 electron and completes its last orbit, or it will take 7 electrons. But for an element to give 7 electrons or to take 7 electrons, it is very difficult. They can't accept 7 electrons. And in chlorine, chlorine requires 1 electron to complete its octet. That's why sodium will give its 1 electron and chlorine will accept that electron. For 1 electron, 1 2 3, that is easy for an element to give and to take. Thus here sodium will give this 1 electron and chlorine will take that 1 electron. In this way they will complete their last shell or valence shell. In this way they are forming your sodium chloride, that is your Na plus Cl minus. Okay, now this is sodium chloride. Now because now this, when it is only Na, it is element, but when it is charged particle, here plus minus, these are not now elements, these are ions. This is sodium ion, this is chlorine ion, positive ion, negative ion, like that. That's why ion, because of formation of ions, this compound is formed. That's why it is your ionic compound. Ionic compound are also called electrovalent compound. Thus when metals and non-metals react, they form ionic compound. Let us try to understand this with the help of another example, that is formation of magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Magnesium chloride formula is MgCl2. It's not NaCl. It actually formula also depends upon the give and take of electrons. Okay, what is atomic number of magnesium? Its atomic number is 12. So its electronic configuration is 282. You are knowing very well, in first shell 2 electrons can come, second 8, third 8. Third can also accommodate 2. Now what about chlorine, Cl? You are knowing it, its atomic number is 17. So its electronic configuration is 287. So what is, how many electrons are there in valence shell of magnesium? It's 2. But chlorine can accept only 1 because it has 7 electrons. That's okay. Magnesium will give 2 electrons, so it will, by giving electron, it gains positive charge, but it can accept only 1 electron. Only 1 electron is required. That's why we will take 2 chlorine atoms, like that. 1 Mg will react with 2 chlorine atom, but 1 will accept only 1. That's why we will write minus 1. 2 will accept minus 1, like that. In this way our compound MgCl2 is formed. This is your magnesium chloride. So magnesium is giving, alone is giving 2 electrons, and but chlorine, one chlorine atom is taking 1 electron. In this way ionic compound is formed. Now by giving electron they gain plus charge, but by getting electrons, by accepting electrons, they gain negative charge. One more thing I want to say, the positive ions are called cations and the negative ions are called anions. So ions means charged particle. This is element, this is ion. Okay student, I hope you will you get understand. Thank you.